Hello friends! Is your car experiencing rough idling, misfiring, or excessive fuel consumption? If your check engine light is on and the scanner shows P0274, then you're dealing with a fuel injector circuit high issue for cylinder 6. This can lead to engine hesitation, black smoke from the exhaust, and poor fuel efficiency. But don't worry, in this video, we'll break down what P0274 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. P0274 is a fuel injector circuit high code for cylinder 6. It means that the injector is receiving too much voltage, causing it to spray excessive fuel into the combustion chamber. This results in rich fuel conditions, rough engine performance, and higher emissions. Common symptoms of P0274 include check engine light on, engine misfires, especially in cylinder 6, strong fuel smell and black smoke from the exhaust, rough idling and engine hesitation, reduced acceleration and poor fuel economy, and possible difficulty starting the engine. Ignoring this issue can cause long-term engine damage and costly repairs. To diagnose and fix P0274, focus on these key components. Cylinder 6 fuel injector, located near the intake manifold or cylinder head, depending on your engine design. Fuel rail pressure sensor, found on the fuel rail, responsible for monitoring fuel pressure levels. Fuel injector wiring harness, which runs between the ECU and the fuel injectors. Damaged wires can send excess voltage. Engine control unit, usually located in the engine bay or under the dashboard. It regulates injector voltage. Battery and alternator, found in the engine bay. A faulty alternator can cause voltage spikes affecting the injectors. A problem in any of these components could trigger P0274. Common causes of P0274. First, a faulty or stuck fuel injector can spray too much fuel, leading to a rich condition. Second, shorted injector wiring, which means corroded or damaged wires, can cause excessive voltage flow. Third, a malfunctioning fuel rail pressure sensor can give incorrect readings, affecting fuel injection timing. Fourth, an ECU malfunction, where the ECU may be supplying incorrect voltage to the injector. Lastly, alternator overcharging, where too much electrical current can affect the injector circuit. How to fix P0274. Step 1. Inspect and test the fuel injector for cylinder 6 and replace it if it's faulty. Step 2. Check the fuel rail pressure sensor with an obd2 scanner. Step 3. Inspect the injector wiring harness for shorts, corrosion, or damage. Step 4. Test the battery and alternator for proper voltage regulation. Step 5. Scan and reset the ECU software if necessary. And finally, Step 6. Clear the code using an obd2 scanner and take the car for a test drive. P0274 is a serious issue that can lead to poor fuel economy, engine misfires, and catalytic converter damage if ignored. Fixing it early can save you from costly repairs. Want to learn more about fuel injector problems? Check out these next videos: P0223, throttle position sensor circuit high input, and P0224, throttle position sensor circuit intermittent. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.